Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make Teriyaki Salmon. Okay, so ano ba yung laman ng Teriyaki Salmon? First of all, the salmon. Okay, you can just get this in the supermarket. And then, is this soy sauce, Nanay? Soy sauce?
No, it's barbecue marinade.
Oh, can we teach our viewers how to make barbecue marinade?
No, I just buy it.
Oh, okay. So, ano tayo? The instant. You just buy the barbecue marinade. Is there a specific brand they should buy?
There, Mama Sita.
Mama Sita's daw. And then some ginger. You can never have enough of the ginger. Oh, here. Mama! Ah! Okay, na-sidetrack tayo. This one is corn soup, which I already taught you guys how to make in another video. I can link it down below if you want. Okay, so this is the barbecue marinade that we have bought. Mamasitas. Oh, ito pala yung secret for good sauce. Okay, so that's what we put in here in the salmon. So is this being marinated right now? Okay, so you spread it around here. Okay, parang itataob mo siya side, front and back mo siya. So now yung sauce. Tapos how long to, Mama? How long to na lahat?
So dinner time.
Mga 2 hours siya, naka-marinade.
Yeah.
Okay, marinade for...
You have to put plenty of ginger. Para matanggal yung
Actually, kaya
fishy smell. Really?
Pasok mo ngayon, lahat. Paano na yung sa baba, Mama?
Ano?
Yung sa baba, nalagyan din siya.
After maybe an hour, you turn it over.
Turn over after an hour. Para yung kabilang side naman lalagyan ng ginger.
No, so that marinate on the other side.
Okay. So, tapos na ang 1 hour. Galing siya sa refrigerator. Medyo malamig-lamig siya. Now, ito-turn na natin siya. Para yung other side naman ang mamarinade. Okay, we'll get back to this after another hour. So, 1 hour has passed. Another hour to commence. Make sure to just put all of the ginger sa taas. Okay, so we're back. It's been 2 hours now. And oh, the smell of the salmon is pretty strong. Right now, it's cooking time. Alright, so yung pan, kaka-heat up lang niya. A little bit lang. Little bit olive oil.
This salmon has fat eh.
Oh.
So,
Salmon daw has fat. May taba. So, konti lang ilalagay na oil. So, we'll be putting in the salmon now. Pero notice tinanggal yung wow. So, there we have it. Tapos na yung actual salmon for the teriyaki. Putting it in the bowl.
Ouch.
Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. Let's all make sure that we are healthy as can be and all eat amazing great food all day, every day. And let's just all take care of the earth and the universe and everything else. I'm hoping the best for you. Riches, love, family, relationships. I hope you all have the best that is possible. I'll see you in the next video.